everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to manage CloudApps at the team level. If you'd like to review the basics of CloudApps, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. If you are a team manager, scroll down to the Teams section at the bottom of the main menu, click on Settings, and select Apps at the top of the page. Here, a team manager can enable or disable external internet access for CloudApps at the team level. You can also decide which kinds of CloudApps are available to each project, select the tile from the Available Apps section, and toggle the availability on or off per project. Let's scroll back up to this section here and talk a bit about CloudApp accessible hosts. CloudApps provide a means to quickly and securely access specific applications without having to launch an entire virtual desktop. Typically, that application is a browser, Chrome and Firefox, or a code editor, like VS Code. But CloudApps can also be used to access purpose-built services that a team has fielded within their cloud space, like an ACAS scanner or a Cameo workstation. In Arcus, these services are referred to as the CloudApp accessible host. CloudApp accessible hosts are not enabled by default, and they are priced separately. If you think CloudApp accessible hosts would be a good fit for your team, please reach out to Arcus support so we can figure out a plan that works for your team. You can see how many CloudApps and CloudApp accessible hosts are available for your team by selecting the Accounts tab and scrolling down to this section here. This team, for example, has a maximum of 2 CloudApp accessible hosts. Back on the Apps page, there are 3 configured here, but because we have a maximum of 2, we can only have 2 enabled at a given time. Click here to disable, and then click here to enable. Whatever you're up to, be sure to save your changes. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.